Industrial livestock was built to separate things that always belong together. Animals over here, feed over there, waste somewhere else. And the bill, that drifts downstream to everyone. Polluted water, tired soils, greenhouse gases that don't stay put. I've driven past those long sheds and lagoons. You can smell the math. Concentrate animals, concentrate problems. It works if you don't count the costs you pushed onto the public. But there's a different playbook. Regenerative livestock keeps animals on the land they actually feed, rotating, moving, following patterns grasslands evolved with. Manure isn't a liability, it's lunch for soil life. Cover stays on, roots dig deeper, carbon finds its way back underground. Here's the contrast: pain versus promise. CAFOs, thousands on concrete. Regenerative, impact spread across living ground. Industrial systems lean on synthetic fertilizer. Regenerative leans on biology doing what biology does best. Confinement treats land like expendable. Regenerative treats it like capital, something you invest in and grow. This isn't nostalgia, it's applied ecology. Grazing, when planned and responsive, becomes a tool. Rest periods. Tight moves. Watch the forage. Watch the weather. Move again. The result? Better soil structure. Faster water infiltration. More biodiversity. Thicker pastures. I've seen ranchers bring back grass on lands everybody wrote off. Let's be real, the problem wasn't livestock, it was livestock divorced from the land that supports them. When you pull feed from a distant field, you export fertility. When you store waste in a lagoon, you stockpile risk. When you cram animals in confinement, you import antibiotics. Odor, conflict, now flip it. Animals harvest their own feed. Hooves press seeds and litter into soil. Manure lands where microbes are hungry. Rain hits a sponge instead of a parking lot. More forage in a dry year, less runoff in a wet one. More life in the space between raindrops. Does this fix everything? No. It takes skill, timing, fences, water points, feedback. Overgrazing is a management error, not a destiny. Managed grazing can reclaim degraded grasslands, lift organic matter, pull carbon into soil. So the question isn't whether livestock belong on the land. Grasslands co-evolved with grazers. The question is how they're managed and who pays when the system fails. Right now the public pays for downstream cleanup, dead zones, climate risk. Regenerative flips that ledger, healthier soils, better water cycles, stronger rural economies. Costs stay where they're created, and so do the benefits. Industrial livestock extracts and externalizes, regenerative livestock cycles and restores. I'm not asking you to romanticize cows, recognize a simple pattern. When animals and land move together, everything else starts to move in the right direction too. This isn't nostalgia, it's applied ecology. The question isn't whether livestock belong on the land, it's how they're managed and who pays when the system fails. For more information, earthcrew.com. Treat the soil as if your life depended on it. It does.